Lawton running into Falk. They both went down to the ice, but Buffalo has the puck with a pass up ahead to Rodriguez, getting it over the line. Looking for the trailer. Reinhart took his shot, blocked. Reinhart got hit, so did two Flyers. There's a shot right on by Kane. And Elliott covers up and hangs on to it.
D are in there too, so the faceout's going to come outside here. Well, Vander Kane.
Well, Konecny is the one who was disturbing everything. But Kane had a pretty good whack at Sandheim.
The Vander Kane going to the net. Sam Reinhart going to take the shot, and it's blocked by Gudas, and it's underneath him.